Hello, this is Tash Tires. I've got the new X5 here. Just going to show you the camera feature on this. But before I do that, as you can see here, there's not a lot of space. But I will get the car turned around, facing the other direction. In this little gap here, we'll show you the camera. It is awesome. And you guys would love it as well, how the camera would sort of kind of change position. Now, if I put it in reverse, as you can see right there, let me zoom in a little. Now watch the cameras on the left. So that's the right camera. So what I'll do, I'll go forward first because it's quite a big car. I then full lock it to my left, go forward again. It tells me how close I am to the jacks. I then go back again. Now watch this. The side cameras have come on. I then go forward. Watch this. Wow, that's so cool. I tell you what, yeah, this is one of the best things a car could have. In such a tight spot, you can turn the whole car around and then go forward, and I'm out. It just tells me how close I am onto the side. So I'll go forward. That is amazing. Now this camera feature on this is really cool. I must say the BMW X5 cameras are amazing, and the way they change their position as well when you're too close to the near side, which is the back end, or the front, which is the near side front, passenger front, and the driver side. It is cool. Amazing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.